So I went to bed last night to the sound of snoring. And then I woke up this morning about an hour ago to an alarm clock not set for myself, and my partner's still sleeping. But I'm going to deal with my own life and my own mood today. Even though it's raining and shitty out, I'll make the best day of it somehow. I think coffee's going to help.